Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anandhi Arts and Bhajans. Today I am going to teach you wooden name board with resin. Take a wooden palette and paint it with dark brown color. Mix resin and hardener in 2:1 ratio and mix color of your choice. Pour the resin and hardener mix on the wooden palette and just spread it evenly. Now I have used liquid pigments. A few drops are enough. I mixed red and green for brown color. First mix resin and hardener for at least 3 minutes slowly in circular motion and then keep it for 5 minutes so that the bubbles disappear and resin is crystal clear. Pour the pigment drops, mix it nicely and bring it to the color you want. Now the palette I have used was already painted with student's oil color mixed with varnish. You can use acrylic colors also. I had used this palette for pebble art. I just cleared those pebbles and using it for now name board. If you are interested in learning resin art, you can check out my playlist of resin art. I'll put the link in the description. So it's almost done. Now the next step is we are going to give a few lines of golden dust mixed with resin. Just take around 5 ml of resin and mix a little bit of golden dust, just a pinch, and make lines as I'm doing with the ice cream stick, and then spread with the help of dryer as I'm doing. Blow the dryer on both the sides as I'm doing left and right. I'm keeping the dryer little bit closer so that I can get those golden spikes. You may feel nothing is happening, but when you will see the result, you'll like it. So you can see the results after 12 hours. Now I'm going to arrange the crystals mixed with gold dust and resin. Just mix very little amount of resin and gold dust so that the crystals are coated nicely. Just arrange on both the corners. Do watch my other resin art videos in which I have shown basic things clearly. So one side is over. Now I am going to arrange the crystals on the other corner. It's our wish, it's our creativity, however we can decorate. Resin art is really a very satisfying art, very beautiful and very attractive. One must surely learn it. Do take precautions. I have not wore the gloves and that's my mistake. You don't repeat that mistake. Do wear goggles, mask and gloves when you are doing resin art, and see that you are in a ventilated room. I have shown lot of resin products like bookmarks, keychains, Navkar Mantra frame, coasters, rakhis and photo frames and lot more. So you can see how beautiful it looks. You can see those gold lines, so beautiful. Now we shall leave it for 24 hours. Cover it to protect from dust. You can see in lighting how these gold lines are shining. So after 24 hours we'll move on to next step. So now I have sticked the acrylic cutting. On this acrylic cutting there is a thin layer of plastic sheet. You need to remove it as I'm doing it, and then we'll pour one more layer of clear resin so you can see how beautiful it looks. There are many offline and online stores who make acrylic cuttings. You just need to give them the details of size of the wood and the size of letter you want and also the font and style you want. Accordingly they will make and give you. So after 24 hours I have drawn the golden border with golden acrylic pen. So how beautiful it looks. Do share your comments because I love to read your comments. Any doubts you can ask me in the comments. So friends, I hope you would have liked the video and the resin name board too. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected, keep watching, keep learning. Bye, take care.